Hi, my name is Eduardo Méndez Castillo, and today I'm gonna talk to you about my professional life. Let's get started. I'm 19 years old and I'm studying the mechatronic engineering career. I have a lot of hobbies. Some of them are basketball, cinema, video games, music, and everything related to my career. And I also like to help people by generating projects and finding solutions to problems that affect our society and our today's world. One of the things I dislike the most is the people without commitment. And talking about my recent projects, one of them was the development of an app for John Deere, and the second one was my entrepreneurship that I went to Mexico City to a competition, and the objective of my entrepreneurship is to provide education for people who wants to become an entrepreneur and they don't have the access to this education, especially to people who is socially marginalized. My professional life is not that long, but I have already achieved I have lived some experiences that 10 months ago I wouldn't believe. And to share it with my friends that are my family that I love, it's just amazing for me. It is unbelievable. And we traveled to Mexico City to present our project, our entrepreneurship, and we traveled to Cancun to present our project to John Deere. We lived a lot of moments that I will never forget, and it is amazing for me. It is unbelievable. I'm very grateful for these opportunities that we have won, I have won, and I will carry with these memories and these experiences that allowed me to grow in a personal and professional way uh, all my life. I consider I have some abilities and strengths that in today's world are very important and not many people have. I'm very good at teamwork, at creating relationships with my teammates. I have leadership. I like a lot of things that I can develop myself in a project in a whole world of areas, and I can put a piece of me in every part of the project, and I will give my 1000% for the project in every time because I'm passionate about it, and I think not many people have this passion that I have for what I do. I'm studying the mechatronic engineering career, and I believe engineering is very powerful and it's the base to create a better society and a better world by renewable energies and to improve uh, people's life quality. And I believe it is very important also to know, well, I have an ability for these topics and I like to use this ability even in my house, for example, to repair all the problems or give maintenance to all the electronic devices, so I don't have to pay for it, and I also save money to it. And well, the socially impact and the world environment impact, I believe it is very important, and with technology and with engineering we can find the solutions to all the problems. I think my dream job would be working in CFE to create projects with renewable energies to help people, or maybe to work in Canada as an outstanding engineer who helps people by creating projects. And I think that I would maybe become a little workaholic. I don't know. I hope not. But I will also try to maintain this balance between my personal and my professional life, to have time with my family and my girlfriend, and to create experiences that allow me to grow in a personal way also. Thank you for the attention to my presentation, and I hope you have a lovely day.